just to explain why CoinSpace, why not the other opportunities. Now, there are a lot of opportunities out there, or a lot of cryptocurrencies out there, and why did I choose CoinSpace above any other cryptocurrency that is available out there? Because CoinSpace has an infrastructure that not any other company has. That's why what I'm going to explain today, I'm going to explain the infrastructure that CoinSpace has. Now, to start with, now CoinSpace has an ecosystem. Now, this ecosystem, now a lot of companies are talking about that they're going to, they have an infrastructure, they talk of they're going to have an infrastructure, but nobody can actually see what infrastructure they have. Now, CoinSpace has an infrastructure that actually satisfied me about 2 months ago for me to get into this opportunity. Because I've seen a lot of concepts out there, but none of them has satisfied me to be as serious as I am in CoinSpace in terms of getting me and my team to get involved into this. Now, the ecosystem that CoinSpace has is one of the best ecosystem that I came across. Now, ecosystem is one component supports the other component, meaning one empowers the other. Without each other, they are nothing, but with all together, they create an ecosystem that is sustainable. Now, sustainable means that the company will go on and on and on and on because of the ecosystem. Sorry.
Sorry, can I ask a quick question?
Yeah.
When we have to use the ecosystem, what is the ecosystem? Where is it integrated? How is the S-coin produced? Or
now, ecosystem is once I'll explain the ecosystem. That's going to answer majority of your questions. Now, as you can see, cryptocurrency is the first part. Okay. Now, and that includes mining. Okay. Now, mining is a process where more currency is generated. Now, you can do mining yourself, but it requires supercomputers, rigs, a lot of electricity, and you solve cryptographic problems, and in result, that generates more cryptocurrency. Now, this is very complicated. When I heard for the first time, I never understood what mining was. But when I saw physical mining, I understood it. You create currency through computers. Now, what companies do? Now, what CoinSpace is doing? They are doing mining for us. Meaning, any packages that we go for, what company is doing? They are creating cryptocurrencies for us. For example, Ethereum, Litecoin, Dashcoin, Monero. There's so many. There's 700 of those currencies. But what company is doing? They are mining about 5 to 7 different types of coins on daily basis. Now, by mining those coins, company is generating more cryptocurrency. Now, once they generate more cryptocurrency, you get those cryptocurrencies in result, meaning company is sharing profit with you. Now to start with, it's mining. You could go for 300 package, you can go for 700 package, you can go for 1,500 package, you can go for 3,000, 6,000, 1,200, 2,000, 12,000 and 24,000. Now, any coins that they company mine, any cryptocurrency that they mine, what company does, instead of giving you Ethereum, bit of Exorium, bit of Bitcoin, bit of Litecoin, they don't want to do this. What they do, they give you a token. Just because they've got their own currency called S-coin. Now, instead of giving you all those currencies, company gives you an S-coin. Now, S-coin is not in open exchange at the moment. But as each S coin is backed up by all these cryptocurrencies, including Ethereum, Ethereum, Litecoin. It's a combination of all that, meaning it is backed up by other cryptocurrencies. Now it is amazing because S-Coin, a lot of people ask about when the company is going to launch S-Coin. Now I don't really care about when company is going to launch this S-Coin. The reason is the coin is backed up by other cryptocurrencies. That's why you are any package that you go for, any mined coins that you're getting, you can choose to sell them. Now when can you sell them? On every 14th and every 28th of the month. Meaning any coins that you generate between 28th to the 14th, you can sell them on the 14th. From 14th to 28th, any coins that you get through mining, you can sell them. Meaning any packages that you're going for, you are selling your coins. You are selling the mines coin. But instead of selling mined coins, company gives you a token as an S coin and you sell that back to the company and you make 50% profit. You can hold on to coins and it will worth more when company launches the coin, but if you sell them now, it will give you 50% profit. Now everyone understands this?
Yes.
Now, the next component is payment solution. Now the payment solution that they have, now tomorrow people are not going to go and start using cryptocurrencies. There is going to be a slow transition. Now if I ask you that people are going to be using this in the future, people are going to be using cars in the future, or people are going to be using phone in the future, I want you to point out which method that people are going to be using. Is it going to be cash, card, or
Phone.
phone? Obviously the phone. Now what company is doing is company is creating payment solutions. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a POS machine. Now this POS machine is actually already in production, and the only bit is left is attaching CoinSpace with it. Now this machine is very special machine because it can accept cards, chip and pin, you can swipe, and you can also touch. But it also accepts cryptocurrencies as well, including all currencies that CoinSpace is already mining, meaning Ethereum, Litecoin, Dashcoin, you name it, all coins that are in open exchange can be used by using this machine. Now, what is going to be happening is later on stage, these machines are going to be available for all of us to actually give them to different businesses. Now, through those businesses, any business that gets generated from those businesses can create more points, and that more points can generate more money for you. That's why that's good. That's why the company is going to become more sort of product-based company as well. But the company will not stop mining. They will always keep on mining because mining won't stop. But in future, the company is going to be launching the POS machine. With that POS machine, you'll be able to take payments. Now, mining and then payment solutions. Okay. Now also company is going to be launching apps. Now through these apps, different businesses can take payments. As I said, mobile phone payments. Now each business needs their own app, different apps, and company is going to charge a very small amount for these apps, and company is going to design these apps for that individual business. Now also company is going to have a MasterCard. Now this is the most exciting thing. The MasterCard is going to have two PIN numbers. One PIN number is to take fiat currency, meaning if, for example, if you are going to a merchant like ESDA and though they don't accept S-coin or any other coin, or they don't accept cryptocurrency, then you can actually pay using your MasterCard. You can pay with fiat currency, but if you have crypto S coins in it, that's going to convert into fiat currency and you'll be able to make those payments. Also, for example, if you are going to a merchant that has one of these machines and accepts cryptocurrencies, same time you can use a different PIN number and you'll be able to use your cryptocurrency. That's why it is an amazing concept. Now, how many people in this room has seen other cryptocurrencies? Now, have you seen these options anywhere else?
No.
Now, have you seen, is there any refund policy anywhere else?
No.
In here, there is 14 days refund policy, meaning any payments that you do or any payments has been done through your team members, they can get their money back within 14 days. And that is very powerful. And that shows the legitimacy of the company. Don't you think having Payza as a payment processor puts a lot of credibility on the company?
Yes.
I'll ask somebody who's a very big networker. What do you? I don't want to mention the name. What do you think about Payza?
Very good.
Very good.
Yeah, it's very good. I mean, the old payment system is probably the best in the cryptocurrency industry. Definitely.
Yes.
No
You see,
as well.
that's why it actually